Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix hair damage. Now, usually most products are used to prevent damage or kind of maintain your hair health in general. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about something which actually reverses your damage. So if your hair has already been damaged, this is the only thing which can actually reverse it by working on your hair bonds, actually working internally. Yes, it's Olaplex. I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers talking about Olaplex since years now, but I never thought of buying it because I found it really expensive. But I finally bought it. I was just very curious. I wanted to know how it works, and my hair was damaged as well because I blow dried it a lot for a few months, and after that I colored my hair like 2-3 times, so there was a lot of damage. So I thought it's a perfect time to try Olaplex. I had also shared that I'm using Olaplex on my Instagram, and a lot of you loved the Olaplex results because you could clearly see a difference in my curls. So in today's video, I'm going to explain what Olaplex is, how to use it, and my personal experience with Olaplex, how it worked on my hair, and from where I bought it, and basically everything you need to know about this. So now let me just explain what Olaplex is. They actually have a patented formula which actually works to reverse your damage by working on your hair bonds. They actually have a line of products. They are numbered like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have number 0 and 3 with me, which I'll explain in some time. Number 1 and 2 I use only for salons because they are very concentrated. You don't get it to use at home. When I colored my hair, I did use number 2 and 3 in the salon. I'm not sure if it made much difference, but they had mixed number 1 in my color, and number 2 is used after the coloring process. Number 3 is supposed to be used at home. Number 4 is their shampoo. Number 5 is conditioner. Number 6 is a leave-in conditioner, and number 7 is a bonding oil. So I'm not going to be talking about each product in detail. In this video, I'll just talk about the number 0 and number 3. So number 3, this is so famous, you guys, like everybody's talking about it. It is magic in a bottle. It is a bond builder. It's a treatment basically, not a conditioner, not a leave-in cream or something. It's a treatment. So you're supposed to apply it before you shampoo your hair, and it can make a huge difference, and you can actually notice the difference if you have damaged hair. So the damage can be of any kind. It can be color damage, it can be heat damage, it can be sun damage, physical damage. You know, when you brush your hair, even that's damaging your hair. Like if you have been brushing your hair dry since many years, you have physical damage in your hair. So this can repair any kind of damage. So this works really great by itself. But I also got the number 0 to use along with it. This is not compulsory to use it. You can use number 3 alone, but number 0 is kind of a primer for number 3. So when you use number 0 before number 3, it increases the performance of it. So there's 68% more repair. It is scientifically proven. So if you want to increase the performance of this one, you can use it as a primer before this. This people have been using since years, and then they introduced this to increase the performance of this. So it basically primes your hair. It makes the number 3 perform better and penetrate deeper into the hair so that it repairs better. So I hope you understood what Olaplex is basically. It's gonna repair your damage by building bonds in your hair. So now let me share how to use this, and after that I'll share my experience on how it worked on my hair. It's better to use it when you don't have a lot of build-up. So if you have a lot of build-up, like a lot of hairsprays, a lot of hair products, it's better to clean it all off just so that it works better. You can use it 2 to 3 days after washing your hair. You don't have to shampoo it, but I personally shampoo my hair 1 day before just because I want to get like the full benefit of it. That's why I completely clean my hair. I shampoo my hair, and I also deep condition my hair. I don't apply any leave-in products. You can apply a light leave-in, it shouldn't matter, but I just want the full benefit. That's why I personally don't apply leave-in product, but I did use a deep conditioner because it makes my hair really very soft. You can also shampoo on the same day, but you have to anyway shampoo after the Olaplex treatment. So I don't really want to shampoo twice in a day. That's why I shampooed 1 day before. And the deep conditioner I had used was by Shea Moisture. This is the Manuka honey and yogurt one. This is so good. It makes my hair really soft. That's why I used this. So you can use your regular conditioner, deep conditioner, whatever works for you. It's not compulsory to use, deep conditioners only. You can do whatever you want, but just make sure you don't have a lot of build-up and your hair is comparatively clean. It's fine to have a little bit of natural oils, but not too much. Now number 3 works only on damp hair. It stops working as soon as your hair gets dry. So first I use the number 0. Now if you don't have the number 0, that's fine. If you're directly going to be using the number 3, please make sure your hair is damp. So you can spray some water to dampen it. You can also wash your hair with water, but it should be towel dried. It stops working if your hair is dry. So make sure to dampen it. But I'll be using the number 0, so it's gonna anyway dampen my hair and saturate my hair. This is very liquidy. It's like water only. So it's a bit tricky to work with. So you have to pour it properly and make sure it doesn't fall down because it's so expensive. So what I do is I divide my hair into 4 sections. I work section by section because I want to evenly distribute it and I don't want to leave any hair. So what I do is I pour it on top of my hair and I keep my hand underneath to just catch any extra product falling off, and then I evenly saturate my hair with it. It's very important to evenly saturate it to get the maximum benefit. It would have been much easier to apply if it came in a spray bottle, but it doesn't come in a spray bottle because it's very concentrated. You're not supposed to inhale it. So that's why it comes in a safe bottle like this. It's fine if you want to be conjuice with number 0. So if you don't apply a lot of it and if your hair is still feeling dry, please use water in that case because the number 3 works only on damp hair. Once I'm done with one section, I twist it and clip it just so that it remains saturated and it doesn't get dried. I repeat the same step on all my hair sections. Now I leave the number 0 for 10 minutes in my hair just so that it starts working and starts preparing itself for number 3. I twisted my hair because the product remains saturated, and that way you are not supposed to let it dry because then there's no point, right? That's why I twist it properly and clip it above so that it still remains damp. Now time for number 3. So I take a generous amount for each section and work it section by section again to evenly saturate it. As I told earlier, it stops working if your hair is dry. So I keep my hair damp at all times. Even while applying it, if I still feel my hair is getting dry, I just spray a little bit of water. And also when your hair is damp, it's easier to work, right, than dry hair. I again work in sections. I'll take a generous amount and distribute it evenly. I focus the most product where I have the most damage. Like my ends have the most damage because they have been highlighted and they have lived the longest, so they are of course more damaged. So I apply more product there. You can use a brush to distribute the product evenly, but it's not necessary to do that. To know whether you have applied enough product, just take your hair strand and twist it and see if there's any product coming out of it. If there's no product coming, that means either you have applied less product and you need more, or your hair is getting dry. So depending on the situation, add whatever is required. If your hair is dry, add water. If the hair is damp but there's less product, apply more product. After applying it, I twist my hair in small sections. This is called curl training. I've been doing it a lot lately. It helps with the curl definition. It's kind of training your hair to remain curly, and it also keeps the product saturated. Once I'm done twisting all the sections from one side, I take all the hair strands and I twist it completely and clip it just so that it remains saturated and the product is doing its magic in all that dampness. I repeat the same steps on the other side. I finally put on a shower cap so that it's nicely protected and not drying. You have to keep it on for a minimum of 20 minutes. You can keep it for longer if you want. It doesn't harm you if you keep it for longer. A lot of people keep it for hours, but it's really not necessary because it's gonna stop working once your hair gets dry. So I personally keep it for 30 to 40 minutes because I just don't have patience to keep it more than that, and I feel 40 minutes is more than enough. I don't see a point keeping it in longer. After this, you're supposed to shampoo your hair and then you can follow with your regular routine like apply conditioner. If you apply leave-in products, do all of those things. If you're wondering what products I use today, I use the Curl Up shampoo, Curl Up mask. This is very hydrating. Honest Liz recommended on her blog to use very moisturizing products once you have used Olaplex. So I just used this because it's very hydrating and moisturizing. It's called the Intense Hydrating Hair Mask. You can use any hair mask which works for you. It's not compulsory to use any particular type of products. You can follow with your regular hair routine. I also use the Curl Up leave-in cream and Curl Up gel. If you want to know how I style my hair, I have a separate video on that, so please do watch it. So these are my results. Now let me share with you my personal experience and my views about it and a few more points. So this is the third time I'm using Olaplex and I've finished it till here. So it's gonna last me for just one use, I feel. Max 2, minimum 1, and the number 3 I've used till here, so even this will last me for at least 1 use. So yes, it's very expensive for this much quantity. Each of this costs 3000 rupees, 2950 to be exact, and number 3 is 100 ml, number 0 is 155 ml. If you can't afford both, you can just get the number 3. It works great by itself as well. You don't have to get the number 0. So I colored my hair in November, so my hair was very light. So when you lighten your hair, it's obviously gonna damage a lot. And I had also been blow drying my hair a lot. I did it for many months continuously, so my curls were not looking the same as before because my hair was used to remaining straight, and of course there was damage. And also my ends were not curling as much. Now usually my ends are the curliest compared to the rest of my hair, but they were also not curling as much and they were looking frizzy. Usually my ends don't look as frizzy. And then I again colored my hair in January. One time lightened my hair and 2 times global color. So this time I also asked them to add Olaplex in my color. So I used the number 1 and 2 as I told in the start of the video. So I'm not sure if that made any difference, but of course it might have provided a bit protection. And I was planning on buying the number 3 since a long time. I was just searching where to get it because on Amazon I was not sure if it's original, and Nykaa doesn't have Olaplex anymore. I remember Nykaa used to have Olaplex earlier, now it doesn't. And I found it on Sephora, but Sephora had only number 3. I wanted the number 0 as well. And coincidentally that time only Honest Liz uploaded a few videos on Olaplex, and through her videos I came to know that even her site has Olaplex. So I ordered these 2 from her site. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So I used these for the first time in February. After the first use, I did notice a little difference, especially on the ends. Like my ends were curling better and the definition was definitely better and they were not as frizzy. And I used it again after 1 week, and after the second use my curls were much tighter and the definition was really very good, and I was very happy with the results. And then I didn't use it for a month, and this is the 3rd time I'm using now because I was saving these products for this video. My curls almost looks the same. There'll be definitely some little difference, but I can't notice much. But of course it has to be better. But comparatively, like how my hair looked earlier, it looks much better. So yes, Olaplex is amazing. It's gonna make a huge difference if you have damaged hair. I would highly recommend it. If you have heat damage, color damage, it's gonna make a huge difference. Even if you don't have colored hair or if you have never used heat, you might still have some damage. It can be physical damage, sun damage, so it can work for you as well. And if you have curly hair and your curls are not curling properly, if it's damaged, then it can definitely help with that damage so that your curls look better and more defined. By the way, it's not just for curly hair, any hair type can use it. So even if you have straight hair but damaged hair, it's still gonna repair your hair. But if you don't have very damaged hair, you might not see a huge difference. Only those with extremely damaged hair will see a difference. You can use it once a week. You can even use it twice a week if you have extremely damaged hair. I personally wouldn't use it every week because it's very expensive, but if they were sponsoring me, I would be more than happy to use it every week. So yeah, I'm gonna save it and I'll maybe use it next month. And after I'm done with this, I'm not gonna buy it so soon because I'm pretty happy with my hair. So I'll maybe buy it in future after a few months if I feel like. And I would recommend it only if you can afford it. If you can't afford it, it's fine. Don't get that FOMO, you know, if you can't use it, it's completely fine. I used to get that FOMO earlier when I couldn't afford products. Just use your best ability to take care of your hair with what you have. And if you really want it, then work for it, and also save some money so that you can try it because I'm sure you're gonna love it, especially if you have damaged hair. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is completely free to you, but it helps me a lot, so please subscribe. And today's comment shout out goes to Monisha. Thank you so much for your comment. If you want a comment shout out, please comment on my videos. I always pick the comment which I like and feature them on my videos. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. And yeah, that was it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.